6 ways to create an HTML email template in PHP. First, create the HTML email template. Insert the variables, enclose them in curly brackets. Then in the PHP, start by defining the variables recipient, subject, and header. Load the HTML email template. Replace the variables. Finally, send the email. This is an alternative to the previous method. Start with the template as usual, but take note that this is a PHP file. Insert the variables using short echo tags. Then, define the email settings and variables. Start output buffering and load the template. Get the buffer as a string. Finally, stop buffering and send the email. For this method, we will directly define the template as a string. Then, insert the variables and send the email. This is an alternative way to define the template as a string. Start with 3 angle brackets followed by a name. Enter the template and variables as usual. Then close it with the name and a semicolon. This is yet another alternative, using the sprintf function. Enter the template as the first parameter. Replace all variables with %s. Then, set the variables as the following parameters. Finally, a method that is not recommended. Define the template as a string once again. Concatenate the variables. That's all for this short tutorial. Like and subscribe for more.